Three, two, one.
What's up, Funny Tubers out there in Funny Tuber land? Welcome to this Money Funny vlog. In a minute, we will be cooking with Crazy Jason. That's right, Crazy Jason will return. But I want to real quickly, Funny Tubers out there in Funny Tuber land, talk about the Godzilla movie. We are just about less than a week away from Godzilla 2 King of Monsters. So, Funny Tubers, I want to spend a second or two to talk about that. But before I do, on this mini funny vlog, please make sure, let me remind you, it's not enough just to watch this video. If you're not a Funny Tuber, and you cannot officially call yourself a Funny Tuber unless you push subscribe right now, the video is going to be paused, and I want you to go down there and click subscribe and that little bitty bell button for notifications. Ready? And then you'll become a Funny Tuber. Ready, set, go. Alright, if you do that, you are officially a Funny Tuber. And Funny Tubers out there, comment below my videos, though. Just don't let David Awesome or Webby be the only ones commenting on my videos. But, what? That stupid cat. You, Funny Tubers, also comment below on how hilarious and how entertaining and information my great videos are to you, Funny Tubers. So, here we go. Move over Endgame. That's right. I'm starting to rant now. I'm gonna do a movie rant. I know Webby's gonna say, I'm saying that. Well, never mind. I'm not saying that Webby rants. No, but Funny Tubers, move over Endgame, because there's a new movie. It could bump you out of your spot. In fact, I think it will. And it is Godzilla 2 King of Monsters. I want to tell you something. The Avengers and Marvel has some real competition with the Marvel Universe. Oh, yeah, sure. They're like 20 films ahead of the Monsterverse, but I'm telling you, folks, this is going to be a big Godzilla movie. And so, I like the Avengers Endgame, but the movie I been looking forward to the most in 2019, Funny Tubers, is the Godzilla movie, simply because Godzilla ain't the only name brand monster that's going to be in there. There's going to be plenty of generic monsters on there. But we're going to have the world-famous Monster Zero, the three-headed monster. Enormous, the biggest version of him yet. Then we're going to have the beautiful, stunning, but deadly, very mystical and powerful. Did I say beautiful? The biggest and most beautiful version of Mothra. Woo! With an 807 feet wingspan. That's a one big moth. And it's got like little hands like a praying mantis or something. She's beautiful. But she's gonna also pack a punch, shattering the sky and reflecting and blinding way she flies. And then we're gonna have the Rage of the Sky, the King of the Sky, bursting out of the volcano. Very, very grumpy because he's been woken up. Rodan, that's right, with what was the wingspan? It was like 871 feet wingspan. Truly the king of skies. Lava flowing off his, I think it's a him. I think it's a male Rodan. Lava flowing off its wings, going at supersonic speed like you've never seen in your life. Unbelievable. The one of the best and biggest versions of Rodan ever. Maybe not the biggest, but the wingspan is. It's huge. And supersonic speed. Oh, and which side will Rodan take? Which side will Rodan be on the Monster Zero side? Will Monster Zero dominate Rodan? Or Weo Cookies? Will he join Godzilla and Mothra? That's remained to see. I'll be doing a huge vlog with Mad Chad. Maybe Sammy Funny's going to be there. It's going to be a big deal. Me and Chad is planning on seeing it twice. Ow, almost poked my eye. Twice, Funny Tubers. Yeah, I know, good boy, but you won't get to go. No, you won't, Bandit. You won't get to go. You know that? It is going to be great, and there's going to be a whole slew, if that even makes sense, a whole slew, Funny Tubers, of all kinds of new monsters popping out everywhere. One of them's even a mountain. One of them comes out from the oil fields. It's unbelievable. Of course, probably your environmentalists will say, they'll probably say something about global warming or something related to climate change, crud. I'll listen to all those parts, though. I mean, after all, it is a movie, so, everybody knows that global warming is about as real as Godzilla. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend. Anywho, Funny Tubers, are you ready to cook with Crazy Jason? Get ready, Funny Tubers. I'm back. Crazy Jason. And this will be cooking with Crazy Jason. Kaboom! Whoa! Yeah, cooking with Crazy Jason. Crazy Jason. And today we're going to make the Crazy Jason wrap. That's right, wraps are good for you. They're supposed to make you lose calories, lose weight. So I have a wrap of my own. Crazy Jason. First of all, we will use wipes here. Get off. Crazy Jason. Crazy Jason. And then we're going to add all kinds of goodies to it. This is our wrap right here. Crazy Jason. Crazy Jason. Got some light here. Crazy Jason. Crazy Jason. And see what we do here? We want to put plenty of pepper on it. And some beef stuff. And some of this stuff right here. Bunch of spices. There we go. And then we wrap it up. Yeah, if I can. And then you put it in the oven at 5,600 degrees. That's Crazy Jason. This is cooking with Crazy. Enjoy your wrap. Yeah. Shut up, Jason!